What's going on, everybody? Charles Moon here with Prosper Trading Academy, and today I want to talk to you about CMG. Now, CMG came down and filled this gap here. The closing price is going to be the April 25th reference. It's $17.80. That was the exact closing price, and it came down about 2 weeks ago, filled the gap, and they have tried to rebound. Now, they've found a little bit of resistance at the 50 SMA and the daily chart, but today they've had a catalyst, and that catalyst could push this stock much higher. So we want to see CMG explode through 1900 and really break out from this 1945 range. Now, if it does happen to pull back, we actually want to see it find support around 1900 to 1875. If it doesn't hold there, then this isn't a play at all. So for me, it's got to hold that level. It's got to break through. There may be some psychological resistance at around 2,000. It's that psychological number as I was referencing. But ultimately, I feel they power through this 1945, 1950 level. They're going to work their way up to fill the other gap, which is the closing price from their last earnings report. That is the closing price of July 26th, and that's at $2,087. So I think that if we get through this 1950, that upside target is 2,087. I don't expect it to happen within the next week or so, but this is that progressive move that we're going to be looking for. Of course, the market dynamics are going to play a role. The growth story is always going to be of interest, and that usually is what fades off first. But if the market is, somewhat sustainable and holds up pretty well, CMG is a pretty strong bet to try and rally back. This is a company that has to be on par with the other heavyweights such as McDonald's in the United States of America. If you ever pass by a Chipotle and seen a line, you wouldn't be surprised. It's always busy when I visit. So something to keep an eye on through that 1950 level, up and away. Ladies and gentlemen, best of luck. All trade well. Have yourself a wonderful trading day.
Go to businessfirstam.com for where to see our show on TV.